Welcome, my friend. You clicked on this video. That means you are serious about working on yourself. Very good, buddy. I'm proud of you. Because most people just scroll. They see videos like this and skip. But you didn't. You stopped. You clicked. That means something inside you truly wants to change, to grow, to focus, and to become a better version of yourself. So let's do it together. You and me, both will work on this today. We'll learn how to focus on our goals, even when life gets hard. You know, everyone wants success. Everyone says, I want to achieve my dream. But very few people can stay focused long enough to actually reach there. We start something with full energy. For 2 or 3 days, we give our best. And then, slowly, distractions win again. We lose interest, lose discipline, and finally we give up. And then we feel guilty. We ask ourselves, why can't I stay focused? The answer is simple, because our mind is not trained yet. Your mind is like a wild horse. If you don't control it, it will run anywhere. But if you learn to guide it, it can take you to your dream faster than anything. So, my friend, stop fighting yourself. You are not lazy. You are not weak. You just need direction and patience. Focus is not about forcing yourself. It's about understanding yourself. Ask yourself, why do I want this goal? Why is it important for me? When your why is strong, your focus becomes natural. Maybe your goal is to learn English, to get a better job, to lose weight, or to make your parents proud. Whatever it is, make that reason strong inside your heart. Because when you forget your reason, distraction takes control. But when your reason is clear, you don't need motivation every day. Your purpose itself becomes your motivation. Now think about this. How many times have you promised yourself that from tomorrow you'll change? You'll study seriously, wake up early, stop wasting time. And then what happens? Tomorrow comes and you do the same thing again. You scroll your phone, you watch random videos, and later you feel bad again. This loop keeps repeating. But not anymore. Because from today, you're going to break that pattern. How? By doing one simple thing. Take one small step today. Don't wait for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. Start with what you have, where you are. Even 30 minutes of focused work is better than 3 hours of distraction. And yes, you will get distracted again. You'll feel tired. You'll want to give up. That's okay. Everyone does. But the difference between successful people and the rest is, successful people return faster. Every time you lose focus, come back. That moment you return, that's real strength. You don't have to do big things at once. Just focus on today. Give your best for this one day. If you can stay focused today, you can do it again tomorrow. And slowly, day by day, you'll build a habit that no distraction can break. Now let's talk about your environment. Your focus depends on what surrounds you. If you're always near negative people, or if your room is messy, your energy will always be low. Keep your space clean, calm, and peaceful. Put away things that disturb you, like your phone during study time. Play calm background music if it helps. And most importantly, make your surroundings match your dream. Because when your environment supports you, your focus becomes easier. Also remember, you need rest too. You can't focus if your body and mind are tired. Sleep well, eat well, move your body. Walk in the morning, or just sit quietly for 10 minutes daily. When your mind is calm, it becomes sharp like a sword. There will be days when you'll doubt yourself. Days when you'll think, maybe I'm not good enough. But remember this, your dreams chose you for a reason. You're not here just to survive. You're here to create, to grow, to achieve. You have something special inside you. Maybe you don't see it now, but it's there. And every time you choose focus, you make that power stronger. Don't compare your journey with anyone else. Everyone has a different story, a different struggle, a different time to bloom. Maybe someone you know is already successful. That's okay. Their chapter 10 doesn't make your chapter 1 useless. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Your time will come. When you feel lost, remember that every master was once a beginner. Every successful person you admire once struggled like you. They had sleepless nights, they failed, they doubted themselves, but they didn't stop. They kept showing up, one day after another. That's how success is built. Silently, slowly, and with focus. And when you do something good, appreciate yourself. Even if it's small. You studied today? Good. You exercised today? Great. You avoided your phone for an hour? Amazing. Celebrate those small wins. Because those tiny victories are proof that you're changing. Now close your eyes for a second and imagine the future version of you, the one who stayed focused, the one who didn't quit. He's standing there, smiling at you, saying, "You did it. You made it." That version of you is waiting at the end of your journey. Every time you work on your focus, you're walking closer to that version. So promise yourself now, no matter what happens, I will stay focused on my goal. Say it softly, I can do it. Say it again, I will not give up. Because you can. You've got everything you need, strength, courage, and the will to rise again. Believe it. Feel it. Live it. And before you go, comment below, I'm focused. Because when you write it, you remind yourself of this promise. And don't forget to subscribe to the English Academy for more motivational English videos. Together, we'll grow, one day, one goal, one step at a time. Thank you for watching, my friend. Stay focused, stay strong, and never stop believing in yourself. You're closer to your dream than you think. See you soon in the next video.